fatal mistake by grabbing a highly venomous sea snake by the tail, leaving its deadly fangs free. When a sea eagle chows down on a sea snake, its stomach acids can safely break down the toxins. But a direct hit is a different matter. The serpent nails its target, but it needs a split second more to inject its venom. The sea eagle has talented talons. She dislodges the snake and adjusts her grip before the deadly poison is administered. So it's white-bellied sea eagle 2, sea snake 0. But another mistake like today, and this high-flying mother could find herself at the bottom of the ocean. Anything